There's a tool out there that's quietly changing, well, pretty much everything, from how we brainstorm to how we write a simple email. Of course, I'm talking about ChatGPT. So if you'll stick with me for just a few minutes, I promise you'll go from just hearing about it to knowing exactly how to make it work for you.
So let me ask you this. What if you had a tool that could be your personal researcher, your creative partner, and your editor, all at the same time? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not, and that's exactly what we're going to unpack right now. Let's get into it.
Okay, first things first, what even is ChatGPT for real? Let's just cut through all the noise and get a simple, straightforward answer.
So at its core, ChatGPT is an AI made by a company called OpenAI. Just think of it like a giant digital brain. And this slide, even though it's in Arabic, really nails it. It says it's an AI that's been trained on billions of texts, also can give you these really smart human-like answers. And you can see from the icons, we're talking marketing, content writing, academic research, personal projects, you name it. This isn't just some simple chatbot, it's a tool for, well, almost anything.
All right, so that's the what. But who cares, right? Let's get to the so what. How can this thing actually make your life easier? Whether you're a student, a professional, or really just anyone who's curious, let's look at a couple of game-changing examples. So if you are a student or a researcher, oh man, this is huge. Seriously, a total game changer. I mean, imagine you're staring at some dense 20-page academic paper. Instead of spending an hour slogging through it, you could just ask ChatGPT to summarize the key points in 5 easy bullet points. Or hey, if you're stuck on a tricky concept, you can ask it to, explain quantum physics like I'm 15. It's basically like having the world's best study partner on call 24/7. And it's not just for crunching information that's already out there. It is a creative powerhouse for coming up with new stuff. Feeling stuck on starting a business? You can literally ask it, hey, give me 10 business ideas for an eco-friendly product, and it'll do it. Then you can have it help you brainstorm names, write some marketing copy, even outline a whole business plan. It's like having a creative partner that never runs out of coffee or ideas. Now for the big, practical question that always comes up with new tech. Is this going to cost me? Do I have to pay for it? Well, the short answer is no, you don't. But you do have some options. So let's quickly break down the difference between the free and the paid versions. Look, the free version is fantastic. It's incredibly powerful, and honestly, it's perfect for most everyday things. But if you're wondering what that subscription gets you, it really comes down to a few key things. The paid version is faster and a bit more accurate. Its ability to understand and analyze stuff is on another level. And here's a big one, it lets you upload files for it to work on. So here's my advice. Start with the free one. See what it can do, push it to its limits. Trust me, you'll know if and when you need to upgrade for the really heavy-duty work. So are you ready to give it a try? Yeah, I thought so. And the best part? Getting started is so simple. It literally takes less than 2 minutes, and we're going to walk through it right now, step by step. It's really just 4 easy steps. Okay, step 1, go to the website. It's chat.openai.com. Step 2, click sign up and just register with your email, super standard. For step 3, you're going to get a verification email. Just open it and click the link inside to activate your account. And finally, step 4, once you log in, that's it. You're in. There will be a blank chat box just waiting for you, ready to go. It's really that simple. All right, you've done it. You're in. You're looking at that little blinking cursor in the text box. So, now what? Here's the single most important thing to remember. You're not using a search engine. You're starting a conversation. And this right here perfectly explains the real power of it. Let's just imagine a student. We'll call him Ahmed. He's got a big history project on ancient trade routes, but he has no idea where to start. So he doesn't just type ancient trade routes into a search bar. No, he starts a conversation. He asks, what are 3 lesser known but really impactful trade routes from the Roman era? And ChatGPT gives him 3. Then Ahmed follows up. He asks, tell me more about that incense route. What was the most valuable good and why was it so valuable? See what's happening? He's not just getting a list of links. He's having a real back and forth dialogue, digging deeper and deeper into the topic. So now you know how it works and you know how to get in. The only thing left to do is to start that first conversation. Think about a problem you're trying to solve, a topic you're really curious about, or maybe an idea you just want to play with. The tool is ready and it's waiting for you. So the only real question left is, what are you going to ask first?